This is the K&F Concept Tripod Monopod that was kindly donated to the channel by Jana, and after a few weeks of having the tripod, lots of you have been asking me my thoughts. So I thought I'd make a quick video and show you guys the tripod that I'm using for my photography and also some video production as well. Let us know in the comments what tripods you use for your photography. The tripod has this manoeuvrable ball head which enables you to position your camera in lots of various angles without touching the legs. There are also two areas of the stem or neck for rotating the tripod with a nice fluid action. There's one at the base and there's one just underneath the ball head. And this is a handy feature if you use it for video production to get smooth pans. You can raise the tripod higher using the stem or neck, or whatever you want to call it, just by undoing this bolt. The tripod's got three locking positions for the legs which snap into place quite nicely and can pretty much end up doing the splits for those low down shots. One of the features I love about the tripod is the ability to shoot overhead or over object shots. This is real handy for me when using the tripod for filming in my darkroom. I can easily get over the workbench and show you guys more of what I'm doing. Nothing feels cheap about the tripod, and all the locking nuts feel solid and trustworthy. They tighten and undo quite easily, and they also tighten up quite well without the fear of having them snapping off in your fingers. The tripod comes with a small camera plate which locks into place using this small knob, and the tripod easily can handle your regular DSLR with some heavy lenses. And the camera plate also has a failsafe where if you accidentally loosen the retainer, it won't slip off the tripod. Loosen it a bit more and you can release the camera. The plate screw itself I find is a bit too long for my older cameras and they won't fit snug, so I have to use a washer or some other fitting to make it fit. And the plate is quite small, so it's not great for bigger cameras such as Hasselblads and Mamiyas. Like I said, I love the option to get various overhead shots, and the tripod feels strong enough to hold a DSLR with some heavy glass. And if you take the stem out and put it in the other way round, you can get the tripod head and camera low for those low down shots with some extended action too, which for me, which will be great for my seascapes. I can imagine I can get it low down and then get a little bit of extension as the tide is coming up towards the camera. Another handy feature is the detachable monopod, which is basically one of the legs. Once it's unscrewed, you can attach it to the stem and the head, and you've got a very tall monopod. So that's the tripod that you'll see me using many times on the channel in future videos, and I do intend to use it for photography and also video as well. I'm very grateful to Jana for sending me the tripod, so Jana, if you're watching, thanks very much, mate. And I hope this has helped anyone and answered a few questions that I've had recently about the tripod. And there are also many other videos online featuring the tripod itself. Let us know in the comments, guys, what tripods you use for your photography. For myself and others to read, as I know that sometimes choosing the right tripod for your photography can be a little bit daunting. There's just so many out there to choose from. So thanks for watching. I'll catch you next time.